Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So today we're taking a look at this. This is the Canadian belt knife from Cold Steel, and this I picked up from Prepper Shop UK. So this is a really cool blade, which is suitable for a wide range of tasks. So for me, this is a camping blade. You know, this is at home in the kitchen or out in the field. So like I say, for me, this is a light duties blade. So for me, it is chopping, slicing, food prep, and if necessary, some light camp craft. Things like making feather sticks and things like that is absolutely ideal for. You're not going to be chopping down any trees with this, but like I say, it comes razor sharp out of the box. Easy to maintain, easy to keep sharp, and it will last a decent long time. So let me give you some technical specs, I'll give you an overview, and I'll do a few cut tests as well. So the Cold Steel Canadian belt knife has an overall blade length of 4.2 inches. The total length of the blade and the handle is 8.5 inches. It weighs 64 grams, so it's nice and light in the hand. And the blade steel itself is 4116 Krupp stainless steel. So this is going to be easy to maintain, won't be going rusty on you anytime soon, as long as you look after it, and it is nice and easy to sharpen. Now it does come with a nice plastic sheath also, which is definitely very functional. Does have a drainage hole in the bottom and a nice generous belt loop there. Also some really good retention. Nice satisfying click. And that is not going to go anywhere anytime soon. So really neat. There you have the Cold Steel logo there. The handle itself, you have again a nice hard plastic, nice and rigid, and fits nice and well in the hand there. Here you can see the ridges on the top of the spine. Now what this does is it allows you to really use your thumb and get a good grip while you're doing those fine chopping and slicing tasks. You have a nice generous lanyard hole at the bottom here, so if you want to hang it up after using it, or just wrap it around your wrist to give you a nice good grip, you can do that again, no problem at all. Okay, so as the Cold Steel Canadian belt knife has been my go-to food prep knife when out camping, why not do some food prep with it? Show you how sharp it is. Cuts through carrot like, well, a knife through carrot. But a really simple test, but it does the job really well. It's got a nice belly to it and a nice drop point, so it is really good for that really fine slicing and dicing. Okay, so with the carrot moved to one side, how about another quite common camp task? Got some nice dry fatwood here, so I'll see if I can get some off. Ready to start a fire. Again, going through that really easily, and so with the ridges on the spine here, where your thumb goes, really allows you to really get nice and fine. Now my feather sticks are terrible. I'm not even going to bother trying to make them. But with the Cold Steel belt knife, that isn't a problem at all. So who do I think the Canadian belt knife is suitable for? Well, I think anyone looking for a light duty bushcraft or food prep knife, this is an ideal product for you. It's easy to maintain, it comes sharp right out of the box, so if you're not too sure about sharpening, definitely able to use it straight away. It's got that Cold Steel pedigree to it, and for the price, you know, this is under £20, this is going to be absolutely ideal for anyone starting out or who's been doing it for quite a while. So if you're interested in checking this out, I will leave a link in the description below to Prepper Shop UK. Really cool company to work with and to purchase from. Always great service from them. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.